Okay, so now we're looking at number 16. We're going to fill in the blanks for a proof. We're given that AB is equal to DE in length. Okay, so we could also say they're congruent, so I put some congruent marks there. And we want to prove that AD, segment AD, is equal to segment BE. So we know that segment AB and DE are congruent or equal in length. And when we talk about AD and BE, notice we're adding the same amount. We're adding BD to AB to make AD, and we're adding BD to DE to make BE. So we're adding the same amount to each segment. So obviously they're going to be equal. Okay, if I have, $5 in my left hand and $5 in my right hand, and I give put $2 more in each hand, then I'm still going to have the same amount. So we need to show that step by step in detail. So we'll start first of all with what's given, AB is equal to DE, and then if we take AB and DE and then we add BD to both sides, we're not changing the value of anything. We still have a true statement according to the addition property of equality. And then from there, let's make a statement that AD is equal to AB plus BD, and BE is equal to DE plus BD. Okay, and that's what we have here according to the segment addition postulate. And then notice that we can substitute, we've got AD, okay, we can substitute AD, like let's take this statement right here, and we can substitute, since AB plus BD is equal to AD, we can substitute AD with AB plus BD, and we can substitute DE plus BD with BE, and we end up with AD is equal to BE by the substitution property of equality. Okay, so that's number 16. And now we're looking at, let's look at number 17, see what we have here. All right, number 17, in the figure shown, the measure of angle AED is 124 degrees. Which of the following statements is false? So I just went ahead and labeled everything I had. You can't write on your test usually, but I just went ahead and labeled that. And I see, because if angle AED is 124, the vertical angle is going to be the same. And then I know these two angles make up a straight angle. They're a linear pair. So the two together make 180. So I subtract 124 from 180, and I left with 56. This angle BEA must be 56, and this angle must be 56. So then let's just go down the list. We're looking for which statement is false. Okay, so we've got angle BEC, and CED. That's this angle here. Are they adjacent angles? Yes, they share a common vertex. They're on the same line, and they have a common side. Okay, basically they make a straight angle. So that's true. And then now we're talking about angle AEB. Okay, look at answer choice B, AEB and DEC. It says, are they supplementary? That means they have to add up to 180. And we've got 56 plus 56, which is what, 112? Okay, so they are not supplementary. So B is false. All right, and let's see here. I think I've got, let's look at 21. Some people in some classes missed number 21. Fill in each missing reason. It's given that, we've got our angle measurements here given as expressions. Okay, and if we look what we've got here, we're starting with the fact that the measure of angle PQR and SQR is equal to the measure of angle PQS. All right, we know that that's true by the angle addition postulate. All right, so now we're looking at either answer choice A or answer choice C. And then we're going to go ahead and substitute these values. The measure of PQR is x minus 5 and so forth. So we're substituting. Now we have an equation that we can solve. Okay, they're first simplifying or combining like terms. You've got x plus x is 2x, negative 5 minus 11 is negative 16 or minus 16. And then notice, okay, in trying to get x by itself, they're going to add 16 to each side. Okay, that's the addition property of equality. So that leaves us with answer choice C. And we'll stop there.